morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So you all are eagerly waiting to begin with our today's class? Okay. So class, repeatedly I am saying the weather is changing. Take a proper care of yourself. Eat healthy food. No outside food should be eaten. Okay. And whatever mama asks you, just follow her instructions, or whosoever elder at home asks you, please follow their instructions, because they know how you can keep yourself safe and well. Okay. So now let's begin with our today's English class. So class, what we are doing these days in English? क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं मैम आपको? What we have been learning about? Can anyone tell me? Yes, we have been learning about cursive alphabets. Yes. So capital alphabets we have already completed. Now what we are doing? We are doing cursive alphabets. जो small alphabets भी हम कह सकते हैं. Cursive pattern में we are learning how to write lowercase alphabets. So class, till now we have done alphabet A and alphabet B. A and B we have completed. Today I am going to teach you alphabet C. Clear? So first let us begin with the identification of these pictures. Can you tell me what pictures are these on the board? Can you tell me? जल्दी जल्दी से बता दो मैं आपको फटाफट से. What pictures are these? These are, okay, let's begin from here. What is this? It's a cup. है ना? It's a cup. So how we write cup? Cup. See, first of all I'll write capital. ये हमने capital alphabet C सीखा था ऐसे. Isn't it? This was the capital alphabet C we have learned. Is it? अब हमें क्या लिखना है? Cup. So this is cup. So I am writing cup. अब मैम ने जो लिखा है वो कर्सिव में लिखा है. How you are going to write, I'll teach you. But first understand the sound. Although we have learned the sound earlier, but let's repeat and understand the sound once again. Okay? So first is cup. Now when I am saying these words, when we are writing the name of these pictures, just see when we are pronouncing them, which sound is coming to your ear. The first sound, beginning sound. What is the beginning sound coming? And you can hear that. Okay? When I am saying this word, the sound, which all sounds are coming? The first sound, all sounds show the first sound. Cup. Clear? Next, can you tell me what is this? Yum yum. I like to eat. You like to eat. Actually, we all love eating it. So what is this? It's a cake. Yes. So let me write the name again here. So, cup, cake. Now what is this? It's a candle. So let's write that also. It's a candle. Now who's this? Yes, who's this? Meow. So who does that meow? Cat. So it's a cat. I'll write cat. Now what is this? We look smart when we wear it. It's a cap, isn't it? So what I'll do, I'll write that here. Cap. Now let us revise all these words once again and we'll understand the sound. सबसे पहली चीज, the similarity. क्या similarity है? All these are beginning with alphabet C. ये देखिए सारे pictures किससे begin कर रहे हैं? Alphabet C से, isn't it? So now when we are going to say the name of these pictures, one similar sound will come. Why? Because similar alphabet है, so similar sound should come. So now we'll understand the sound once again. Let's repeat. Ka. Say with me. जब आप बोलोगे, you'll able to understand more clearly. Now say cup. Cup. Cake. Isn't it? Candle. Cat. करता रहता है वो सारा दिन. So what, who that animal can be? Camel. Yes, camel ride किया है आप सबने. So that I'll write the name here, camel. Now again, so when we are saying the name of these pictures, when we are talking about them, now tell me what sound is coming to your ear. The sound that is coming first, the beginning sound is K. K, cat, camel, cake, cup, cat, candle. Isn't it? So which is the first sound coming? K. That means alphabet C. The sound is K. C says K. Isn't it? Clever pussycat says K, K, K. Clever. K, clever. K, cat. K, cat. K, candle. So what all these are? The sound, the pictures of alphabet C, and the sound that is coming is K. Clear? Now, so the sound of alphabet K is, alphabet C is K. So we'll write it like that. Now, next we have to see how we are going to write this cursive alphabet C. Capital you all know very well. Now cursive. As I told you, हम cursive alphabets कहाँ से start करते हैं? From the lower blue line. जो नीचे वाली blue line होती है, we start our alphabet from that line. Okay? Now let's see how to do. You all know how to write alphabet A. देखिए जब हम A लिखते हैं, हम ऐसे लिखते हैं उस A को. This is your A. This alphabet C is similar like A, but A में हम ऊपर join करते हैं. C में हम join नहीं करेंगे. Understood? Now look carefully how we are going to do that. Like this we go up. हम A में भी ऐसे ही गए थे. And after doing like this, we have to come down. Now the mistake I have made is मैंने blue line को cross किया. So this is wrong. You will not cross your blue line. Clear? See again. Like this. So this is your alphabet C. Cursive C. Understood? देखो A में हमने क्या किया? ये C हो गया. A में हम ऊपर जाके वापस आए थे और C में हमने क्या करा? बस इसको यहाँ पे स्टॉप कर दिया. So this is your alphabet C. And C says K. C says K. Clear? So once you can try with dots once. Only one line. See, जैसे ये one line है, one line आप dots पे try कीजिए. Next line से you will write only with one dot. Clear everyone? Understood? Okay. Now moving towards the book work. Today you are going to do work on page number 23. Repeatedly I am saying second book use करनी है. Don't open the first book. Don't get confused. So book 2, I'll write that also. So book 2. So book you are going to use 2 and page number is 23 and 25. So when you will open this page number 23, you will find few pictures related to alphabet C that you have to recapitulate orally. Second thing, on page number 25, you have to practice your formation of cursive alphabet C. Clear? After doing this, now let's see how we are going to do our work in notebook. Okay? So in notebook, your homework is in notebook. That is, you are going to write cursive C in notebook as your homework. Let's see that. So after doing your work in book, your class work, you have to write your cursive alphabet C in notebook. So let's see how we have to write that. First, we are going to write today's date, that is 20th October 2020. So this is our today's date and we will write HW because classwork was done in book. This is your homework. So you have to write HW. Now please see carefully how you have to write your cursive C. As I told you, हमारे सारे cursive letters यहाँ से जो नीचे वाली blue line है वहाँ से start होते हैं. So what you can do, if you are getting difficulty in writing your letters, take a dot on blue line. ठीक है, इस तरह से will draw. आप खुद से अपनी dots लगा सकते हैं like this. So you can put a dot like this on the second blue line. अब क्या करना है? C. You all know how to write alphabet A. हमें इसको थोड़ा सा A की तरह ही बनाना है. Now tell me, यहाँ से start करके ऊपर टच करना है? No, हमें सिर्फ दोनों blue lines में लिखना है ना. So let's see how we are going to do. Now be careful. ये देखो, हम इसको ऐसे ऊपर लाएंगे and like this. Can you see it? अब हम जब A लिखते थे तो हमने A कैसे लिखा? हम ऐसे जाके इसको वापस टच करके आते थे ना इसमें, बट यहाँ पे हमें बस टच नहीं करना है. क्लियर? सो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू टच इट. हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू? लाइक दिस. ऐसे गए, थोड़ा सा ऊपर गए, इसी लाइन पे वापस आके ऐसे. सो दिस इज हाउ यू विल राइट योर अल्फाबेट C. क्लियर एवरीवन? राइट स्लोली बट राइट करेक्टली. इस तरह से धीरे धीरे आपको लिखना है. ऐसे लिख के और ऐसे करना, दिस इज रॉन्ग. ऐसे कोई नहीं करेगा, दिस इज रॉन्ग. आई एम अगेन टेलिंग यू, ये बहुत गलत प्रैक्टिस है. अगर आप ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करोगे यू विल नॉट लर्न हाउ टू राइट फुल नेम. नाउ सी, कैट लिखना है. सो अगर आप ऐसे लिख के ऐसे करोगे तो ये गलत हो गया ना. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द फॉर्मेशन. सी, हमने C लिखा, C के साथ A लिखा. अब आपको A भी लिखना आ गया. एंड T, कैट. क, कैट. द साउंड ऑफ C इज क, कैट. व्हाट इज दिस? कैप. क, कैप. अंडरस्टूड? आपको किस तरह से लिखना है ये? सो अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू हाउ यू विल राइट अल्फाबेट C लाइक दिस. और दोनों ब्लू लाइंस के ऊपर नीचे नहीं जाएगा आपका अल्फाबेट. इट विल ओनली टच दीज लाइंस. उनको क्रॉस करके इस तरह से अगर आप लिख रहे हो ऐसे, तो वो भी रॉन्ग है. ब्लू लाइन से ना ऊपर जाएगा ना नीचे आएगा. इट विल ओनली टच बोथ द ब्लू लाइंस लाइक दिस. Understood how you are going to write this alphabet? Just write it like this. और आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, पूरा हैंड नहीं मूव करना है, सिर्फ रिस्ट मूवमेंट होगी आपकी. देखो, जब मैम लिख रही हैं तो हल्की हल्की सी बस रिस्ट मूवमेंट हो रही है मैम की. मैम फुल हैंड नहीं हिला रही है ऐसे ऐसे करके, है ना. सो यू ऑल्सो हैव टू डू इट लाइक दिस. Understood how you have to write your alphabet? So complete the work like this as I have shown you. Don't practice wrong formation. Okay? So class, now you have understood how to write alphabet C, rather cursive alphabet C in your notebook. So when you are starting your work, write capital letter, then cursive letter, and also write the sound as I have shown you in the notebook. Clear? Now you can draw any picture of your choice. You can draw the pictures that I have drawn in notebook, or you can draw any of these pictures of your choice. Color them beautifully, and after that start writing your work. But please make sure, take your time to learn this cursive writing. When you are doing the work, write slowly. Clear? Need not to be in a hurry. जल्दी जल्दी करना है, finish करना है. No. You have to learn the formation. And बच्चा, जब आप इस बार एक बार formation learn कर लेंगे, then you can write flawless. आप बहुत easily बड़े बड़े words भी लिख पाओगे. But अगर formation गलत रहेगी तो मैम को समझ ही नहीं आएगा आप क्या लिखना चाहते हो और आपने क्या लिखा है. So please practice regularly again and again. Okay? Now, let's have a little masti today. How? What we are going to do? Let's recite phonic rhyme once again. So, अब जो phonic rhyme है हम बार-बार रिवाइज करेंगे ना, what will happen? हमारी जो sounds है वो thorough हो जाएंगी कि which alphabet is having what sound. So, you all are ready for that? Let's begin with the phonic sound rhyme. Great. So, all of you now stand up and start with me. Apple on the tree says eh eh eh. Apple on the tree says eh eh eh. Bat and ball says ba ba ba. Bat and ball says ba ba ba. Clever pussy cat says ka ka ka. Clever pussy cat says ka ka ka. Dimpy the drum says da da da. Dimpy the drum says da da da. Ellie the elephant says eh eh eh. Ellie the elephant says eh eh eh. Finny the fish says fa fa fa. Finny the fish says fa fa fa. Grumpy the goat says ga ga ga. Grumpy the goat says ga ga ga. Harry the horse says ha ha ha. Harry the horse says ha ha ha. Ink in the inkpot says e e e. Ink in the inkpot says e e e. Kelly the kangaroo says ka ka ka. क्या गलती हुई? I के बाद क्या आता है? J. So you have to remember that. Jam and jelly says ja ja ja. Now after J comes K. Yes. Callie the kangaroo says ka ka ka. Callie the kangaroo says ka ka ka. Light in the lamp says la la la. Light in the lamp says la la la. Now after L comes M. Montu the monkey says ma ma ma. Montu the monkey says ma ma ma. Nilly the nurse says na na na. Nilly the nurse says na na na. Orange in the plate says oh oh oh. Orange in the plate says oh oh oh. Porky the pig says pa pa pa. Porky the pig says pa pa pa. Next alphabet. Q. Yes. Queenie the queen says quack quack quack. Queenie the queen says quack quack quack. Red and red rose says ra ra ra. Red rose says ra ra ra. Swan and the sun says sa sa sa. Swan and the sun says sa sa sa. Tilly the tiger says da da da. Tilly the tiger says da da da. Uncle under umbrella Uncle under umbrella Violin and the wasp says wah wah wah. Violin and the wasp says wah wah wah. Watch and the wool says wah wah wah. Watch and the wool says wah wah wah. Xmas trees always says kuss kuss kuss. Xmas trees always says kuss kuss kuss. Yacht and yo-yo says yeah yeah yeah. Yacht and yo-yo says yeah yeah yeah. Zebra and the zuzu says z z z. Zebra and the zuzu says z z z. Clear? So like this you can recite this rhyme. Now for reciting the rhyme you don't have to sit. You can just play and recite. Okay? Keep reciting this rhyme, keep practicing it and keep practicing your alphabets also.